Buongiorno a tutti, io sono Carlo Castorina, laureando presso l'Università degli Studi di Catania in Ingegneria Informatica e oggi presento un piccolo progetto che mi è stato richiesto per poter trasporre profili di varie tipologie di oggetti su AutoCAD con precisione millimetrica. Per ora abbiamo implementato pochi comandi come il cerchio, la linea e l'arco, ma più avanti prevediamo di implementare qualche comando in più. Per ora è solo un piccolo prototipo rudimentale, ma prevediamo di implementare quanto più presto possibile altri comandi di AutoCAD.
Mister, don't treat me so unkind. Mister, or I'd be so inclined to shut you out and cut you loose without any regrets. To shut you out and cut you loose, I'm hedging my bets. Won't you come on, give me more? 'Cause all I do is moan through the day and through the night. Weep, won't you come and hold me tight? Moan through the day and through the night. Won't you come on, give me more? Mister, you make me feel sublime. What you need I will give you for a smile. Don't play with me, you know I need a ring across my palm to settle me and feel my hand curl steady around your arm. Won't you come on, give me more? So adore can love you when I'm gone. No, I don't need you anymore. 'Cause all I did was moan through the day and through the night. Weep, won't you come and hold me tight? Moan through the day and through the night. No, I don't need you anymore. Saving all my love for you, you know it's true. All I ask of you is for a little comfort too. Oh, and ever since you came